Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Dodge Dart door panel. First, ensure you have the right tools, including a panel removal tool, a 10mm socket, and a Torx T25 bit. Begin by gently prying off the small plastic sail panel located at the top inner corner of the door. Next, remove the rubber mat from the armrest's door pull well, which will reveal a hidden screw underneath. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth removal process. Now let's tackle the hidden fasteners. Use your 10mm socket to remove the bolt situated behind the door opener handle. Then, with your Torx T25 bit, take out the screw found in the armrest's door pull well. After that, carefully pry up the master window switch bezel. Once it's loose, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its release tab and sliding it out. These steps free the panel from its main anchor points. With the fasteners removed, it's time to detach the main panel. Insert a panel removal tool between the bottom edge of the door panel and the metal door frame. Firmly pull outwards to disengage the plastic pop rivets. Continue this process around the sides until all clips are released. Once free, lift the entire door panel straight up and off the upper lip of the metal door frame. Be careful not to damage any remaining connections. Finally, with the panel detached, you'll need to disconnect the door opener handle cable bracket from the back. Gently pop it away from the panel. Also, unplug any other electrical connectors, like those for speakers or courtesy lights, by pressing their release tabs. Now your door panel is completely removed. For more great deals and to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check out the link in the description below, along with other fantastic offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.